Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly, all while training my two sons the trade. And for today's plumbing adventure, we're going to be putting in an American Standard toilet and a Sloan Flushometer. All while CB2, he'll be dressing up some pedestal sinks. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Follow this journey as I train my two sons the plumbing trade. As we know, it's going to be a long journey, but well worth it because plumbing ain't going nowhere. We will see you inside. Here we go with the new flushometer installed. Water's turned off. Now we just got to change the flushometer here. Install the new toilet. Three and 3/4. A simple replacement. 3 and 3/4. We have CB2 over here putting sinks together while I do a toilet and a flushometer. Good morning, CB2.
Good morning.
Good morning, CB2.
Good morning.
He's so focused right now. Some pipe tube and Teflon. This replacement. Yes, sir. One more turn. Now I did check out the flange. The flange is in good shape, so no need to replace the flange on this one. The other ones though, I got 3 other toilets to do and they're all in bad shape. Perfection.
what I like to do is this. I like to caulk the bottom of the toilet. With a nice bead of caulk. And today's caulk is Seal. I like Seal. A nice bead of caulk on the porcelain. Secure one bolt. Coming around. There it is. Now on the flushometer. I don't know why they don't give you no grease, but for the O-ring, I like to put a little bit of grease right here. This goes in nice and easy, and it goes in and out real easy. Now what I've been doing is I measure this piece here, and I add an inch. 7 inches. On the anti-siphon. Here we go. Who loves Sloan parts? I love Sloan Flushometers. Especially when they're new. Bang, bang. All the new parts. You gotta love it. Boom. 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 That goes there. And this is for the handle. So we might as well put the handle right on so nothing gets lost. Oh, it's beautiful. What I like to do is this. I like to roll the flushometer nice and easy since I greased it, like so. The vinyl washer. And then the rubber washer. And then we just roll this like so. Oh yeah. Come on now, baby. Now I didn't bolt the toilet yet because we're going to have a little movement here. Alright. There it is. The toilet can move a little bit here. Alright. Look at here. That looks really pretty. So I'm just going to snug it up, and then I'm going to do the double check everything, and then I will tighten up the watch that maneuver there. I will tighten up the closet bolts to make sure we're all good. Now, what do you guys prefer to use on closet bolts? Today we're going with 1/2-inch closet bolts and nut drivers to tighten it down. I know some plumbers like adjustable wrenches and open-end wrenches. What do you like? Charles, you alive over there, buddy? You doing it? The CB doing it over there. Today we're going to go with our 1/2-inch Klein nut driver. Nice and hand tight. Oh yeah. And the caulk sets up real nice. By the time this place opens up, it will be a wrap. One more snug and boop. Boop. Bango. Alrighty. Ouch, that was my head. And I just gotta clean up the caulk. Make sure she's nicey nice all the way around. Nice. Who loves caulking? Yes, sir. Looks nice. Just got to add a toilet seat and call it a day. All right. Let's tighten everything up and give it a go-ski. Now they didn't use no fancy battery operated. They wanted regular. Oh, I just pulled that whole thing out there. That ain't no good. Regular flushometers. Of course I have a drill. Always have a drip. Come on, man. I'll tell you what. Now that looks pretty. A little bit of air in the line. Here we go. Church. Open toilet seat. Look at that. That is beautiful. The beautiful thing about these toilet seats is this. We're going to tighten it with the wrench, 5/8. And when this piece snaps off, that means the toilet seat is tight enough, according to church manufacturers. CB, according to manufacturer's instructions, installation instructions, these tighten on, and when this piece snaps, it's a wrap. And I specifically asked the supply house for a good install, a good toilet seat to install, and this is what they sold me. And, we got 13 of these to put in. That's the main reason. Oh. Here it comes. Tight. CB's already put a few of these in. I want to show the people. Sometimes you just can't film everything. Is this one stripping? Oh, there it goes. Come on now. Come on now. What's this one not going to strip? My glasses are falling off. Well, at least we got the front. Yeah, these are pliers, my favorite tool. This is for Lee. Lee, them pliers were for you, dog.
Toilet.
And? Come on, give it to us. We'll see you at the next one.
We got the toilet swapped out. Well, actually, the toilet installed and a new flushometer installed, and everything worked out great. All while CB2 was continuing his plumbing apprenticeship, dressing up sinks. So, with that, we will see you at the next job. Have a great day.